Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I will discuss about creating surface. Okay, let's start. Let's open the Civil 3D file. If you remember in my previous video, this is the same file that I made regarding Civil 3D video tutorial importing points part 1. For you to follow, I always make this title and then part 1, part 2, and then this video is part 2, creating surface. Okay, let's start. Let's turn off first the points. Let's say we make it none. Okay, and then creating surface. In under prospector tab, right click on surface, create surface, and then we rename the surface name. Let's say Belfont surface. And then okay, and then let's go back to prospector tab. Under surface, Belfont surface definition, and then look for the point group that we create, and that is a Belfont existing, and then apply. Okay, so this is our surface. If you want to make it visible, we can change that one by doing right click of Belfont surface, the Belfont name, the surface name that we create. Select properties, and then edit current selection. So since in our drawing the contour is not visible, you can play this one. If you want to show points only, you can just turn on, turn off the bulb symbol. Or let's say I want to show only the border and the minor and the major contour. And then to make it more visible, let's go to contour, and then the contour interval, let's say 0.05, okay. And then apply. Okay. Apply. Okay, so this is our surface. If you want to see you can check it in object viewer to see the lowest and the highest point. Highlight the surface object viewer, and then it's here. You can see it here. Which area is the highest and the lowest point. Let's turn off first the arrow. We don't need that one for now. The visible only is the major, minor, and the border. Okay. If you want to make a legend for your surface, for example, just click surface, and one more thing in Civil 3D. If you click the drawing, as you can see in a contextual tab, whatever concern in this surface, it will show only in the contextual tab. For example, add legend. Let's say slope arrow, dynamic. We have to set the settings first. Let's go back to surface, edit surface, and then slope arrow. Let's turn off this. Okay, apply. Before you make a legend, always make analysis. For example, you want to show the slope arrow in the legend. Under analysis type, slope arrow, and then you can change it here, how many arrows you want to show. Let's say 8. And then apply. Okay. After that, click the surface, add legend, slope arrow, dynamic. So you can see it here. Dynamic is whatever changes slope you change here is automatically change the table. This is your legend for slope arrow. For example, 0% to 0.73%, this color red. That is the slope. And then let's say, for example, let's make a legend for remember, always remember this Bellefonte surface time, because this is our style. And then edit, display. I want to make a legend for, let's say, elevation. Apply. Apply, okay. And then, like what I've said, when you do the legend, always make analysis. Let's say elevation, and then enter. Okay. And then click this one and then add legend, elevation, dynamic. So this is the elevation table. The minimum and the maximum based on this color. And then again, for example, direction. Same procedure. Display. We have to show only the direction. Apply. In direction, in analysis, we can change also here. You should rainbow, okay, and then apply, okay, and then again analysis. Since we're doing a direction legend, always click this one, the analysis, apply, okay, and then same, click, and then add legend, direction, dynamic. So this is the direction based on the color coding. I just show you how to make a legend, the concept of making a legend, but the procedure is same. all you have to do is to turn on and turn off whatever legend you want to show. That's the concept on it. And then we'll go to the settings. Let's go back to our settings. We want to show only the contour, major and minor contour. And then we'll make the volume, the cut and fill, the volume of this surface. There's a lot of procedure of taking volume from surface, but I will make a sample for two samples how to take a volume. At first, I will teach you how to take volume between two surfaces. And to do that, let's save as first this file because we need to explode the surface. Oh, by the way, no need to save as. We can open this in an AutoCAD file. Export it to AutoCAD file. Going to Output menu, Export Civil 3D. Let's say in desktop. The file location. Export. Okay, cancel. Then let's open that file. It's just like a save as. I just make save as because we need to explode the surface, and we don't want to ruin the original file. And then it's already exploded. We need only the minor contour. We will take this for example, since this is just a sample only, for example, we want to take the volume of this surface. This procedure is taking volume between two surfaces. So we have to make two surfaces. Under Prospector tab, surface, and then create surface. And then let's say this is a base. Okay. Same procedure how to make a surface. Under surface, base, and then definition. Since it's not a point, our base is not a point, we'll go to contour, add, and then base. Okay. And then select this one only, this contour only, and then okay. And then let's make another surface. Same procedure. Let's say this is let's say volume 1. Okay. Under surface, and then volume, edit surface. What happened to volume? Okay, volume 1. Okay, under volume, contour, add volume, okay, and then we have to select it all. Since we already have the two surface, let's go to under analyze menu, volume dashboard, and then create new volume surface. For example, this is a cut and fill. Our base surface is our base, the one that create surface, which is base, and then okay, and then the comparison surface is the volume 1, okay, and then okay, and then this is the cut and fill. We don't have fill, we only have a cut. So our cut volume is 201.38. So that is the procedure for taking volume quantity between two surface. And then the next procedure for taking volume quantity is stage storage. So under design, in a contextual tab, under design, we have stage storage. Let's say volume quantity, or let's say Belfont, or 1 to make it fast. And then we have to take average end area. And then define basin from entity, and then define basin, let's say 1, define basin from surface contours, define, and then select your wait, let's go back to our original file because this one is already exploded. Let's go back to our original file. Let's save as this one. And then explode. Okay, let's use this one, the same file. Design storage, state storage, I mean, for example 3, to make it we have to take the average end area and then define basin from entity, and then define basin, let's say 7. There is an option here, define basin from surface contours and define basin from polylines. But this drawing, since this is polylines, I will use this polylines. And then define. Okay. And then insert. Cancel. And then this is the volume quantity of this surface, 201.91. Okay, that's how to take volume. You don't need to compute it manually. Civil 3D will do it for you. Okay, let's go back to our original file. And one more tip, if you want to make a, for example, you want to show the point, the elevation of this area, just click the surface, add labels, spot elevation. If you just click this one, it will show automatically the level of that contour. Okay guys, that's all for today's video regarding volume creating surface. And for my next video, the third video is regarding creating alignment. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.